Good morning, student. Today we will study second chapter, the Northern Mountains. India is a unique country in which all major landforms like mountains, plateau, plains, coast, and desert are found. The Northern Mountains stretches across the northern border of India. These mountains ranges can be traced from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Here is map of Mount Everest, another physical body of India. These northern mountains are made up of two mountain ranges, the Himalaya and the Karakoram range. The Himalaya, meaning abode of snow, is the highest mountain range in the world. They form big wall along northern border of India. It extends from Jammu and Kashmir in west to Arunachal Pradesh in east. Its total length is about 2,500 kilometers and its width is between 150 to 400 kilometers. White portion in the map you can see is Himalaya range. The northern mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Mount Everest in Himalaya is the highest peak in the world. It is 8,848 kilometers high. It is in Nepal. Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay were the first to climb Mount Everest in 1953. Vichendri Par was the first Indian woman in the world to climb the peak in 1984. Santosh Yadav was the first woman to have climbed Mount Everest twice. The Himalayas have three ranges: Himadri, the Great Himalaya; Himachal, the Middle Himalaya; Sivalik, the Lesser Himalaya. Himadri range are the highest and therefore snow clad throughout the year. The glaciers are found in this mountainous region. As a result, rivers like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. Some of the highest peaks in these ranges are Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, Annapurna. Here is map of Himadri range. Himachal ranges. These are middle Himalaya range. They are lower than the Himadri and lies towards its south. The slope of these mountains are covered with pine, cheer, and devdar trees. Fruit like apple, pulp, plum, peach, apricot, pear, and cherries are grown here. Terrace farming is done in this mountain slope. In this method, large flat steps are cut into the slope to form field. We find many hill stations like Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgaon, Dalhousie, Simla, Kullu, Mussoorie, Nainital, and Darjeeling in these ranges. The river from the river form waterfall as they flow rapidly down the mountains. Here is the map of all three ranges in India and slope showing terrace farming in India. Shivalik ranges. Shivalik ranges are the lowest. They lies in extreme south of Himalaya. These ranges known for their thick forest and wild animals such as tiger, leopard, bear, and crocodile. The foothill of Sivalik form the Tehri region. Most of this region lies in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. It is a massy area that receive a lot of rainfall. The Tehri region has many national park and wildlife sanctuary. The Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is a place of tourist interest. Yellow portion in the map is a Shivalik region you can see. The northeast are the Purvanchal range. They are not very high and have thick forest with a huge variety of wild animal. Gori, Khasi, Jantia, Naga, Lucia and Mejo hills are part of this range. Towards the northwest of Himalaya lies the Karakoram mountain range. Govinistan K2 lies in Karakoram range and is second highest mountain in the world. You can see Great Himalaya in this map. Life in mountains. The northern mountains region includes the four states and one union territory Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northern part of West Bengal, and northeastern state. Jammu and Kashmir. It is one of the beautiful regions of India. Kashmiri, Urdu, Dogri, and Pahari are the main language spoken here. During winter, because of extreme climatic condition and snowfall, people stay indoors and earn by making handicrafts from wood and peppermints. Some people weave silk and woolen clothes while others make world famous carpet and warm pashmina shawl. Kashmir is cool in summer and during this season most of the people work in the field. The Vellore and Dal Lake add to the natural beauty. Houseboat and shikaras are common sight. These are used as boat ride during tourist season and function as floating shop for selling flowers and vegetables. Place of tourist interest are Srinagar, Pahalgaon, Gulmarg, Amarnath Cave, and Vaishno Devi Temple. Here in the picture you can see boat and shikaras in Dal Lake. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is popular tourist spot. People love to visit hill station like Simla, Dalhousie, Kullu, Manali, especially during the summer. Most of the people in Himachal Pradesh are farmers. They grow rice, maize, barley, fruit, and vegetable. Animal rearing is also popular. People rear sheep and goat. Woolen carpet, blanket, rugs, and shawls are woven here. People wear very colorful clothes with embroidered cap. Are with embroidered cap which are very famous. Simla is state capital and people spoke Punjabi, Pahari and Kunnari. Dussehra is the main festival here. Here is the cap, embroidered cap you can see. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is known for Garhwal and Kumon hills. Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikhet are popular hill station. Dehradun is the state capital. The most important occupation is farming. Haridwar, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri and Yamunotri are popular religious place that attracts thousands of Indian and even foreigners to this state. West Bengal. The northern part of West Bengal is famous for tea garden. Darjeeling is the most northernmost district and is situated in the foothill of Himalaya. It is famous for its beautiful hill station and Darjeeling tea. Northeastern state Sikkim. Sikkim with its capital Gangtok is the small state. People of this state belong to three tribes: Lipcha, Bhutia, Nepali. Their clothes depend on the tribe to which they belong. However, men, women wear colorful costume and women love to wear jewelry made of gold and beads. Ostrich grown here in abundance and the high mountains and deep river valley enhance the beauty of the state. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in this region. Itanagar is the capital. Population of this state is less and people live in house of steel to protect themselves from rain and snake. Manipur. It is famous for Manipuri dance. Its capital is Imphal. Primary occupation is farming and weaving. Different types of things from bamboo, cane, and leather are made here. Meghalaya. It is well known for receiving heaviest rainfall in India. Shillong is the capital and famous hill stations. Goro, Kasi, and Jaintia are the main tribes of this region. They are mainly they are mainly farmers who grow rice, jute, potato, sugar, and pineapple and oranges. Mizoram. It is the small northeastern state with Aizawl as its capital. Its people are known as Mezo. Most of the Mezo are literate. The famous bamboo dance is from this state. Nagaland. This state has many tribes. People of different tribes wear shawl with different pattern. The design on the shawl help in identifying the tribes to which they belong. The capital of state is Kohima. Most of the people are famous farmers and they grow rice, maize, millet and oranges. Thank you. Hope you like this chapter.